Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create this house facade. This is part 2 of the tutorial series where I recreate this whole night street scene. Before we start, make sure you have checked the node wrangler here under preference, add-ons, and then node wrangler right here. Make sure it's checked. It's an add-on that comes with Blender, so you just have to check it here. Alright, so let's jump right into it. First delete everything, and now we need to import our 3D models. I am using 3D models from Quixel Megascans. They are completely free. If you have an Epic Games account, you can just create a free Epic Games account and then download them, put them in your folders, and get them into Blender right here. You go under File, Import, FBX, and then just choose your FBX file and get it imported. I will speed this up real quick. Alright, so I just imported everything, every 3D model. As I already said, I will put all the links for the 3D models in the description. I just imported them and put them here in the folder, so I get everything, the door, the windows in the window folder, so I have everything organized. Alright, so before we start building, we need to texture the models, because as you can see, there is just, they are all just white. So let's jump into the shading tab and texture all the models. This is actually pretty easy. Just select your model and add here a new material. Select the principal shader, and with the node wrangler checked, press Ctrl-Shift-T, which brings up this menu, and then just select the folder where you had your 3D models in. So in my case, it's right here. This is the 3D model of the door. And now I just select every image right here, except for the preview. We don't need that. Just select every other image here and import them. And as you can see, the node wrangler just did everything for us, and we have a perfect texture right here. And now we can just do that with every 3D model. This takes a bit, but it's actually, not that hard. Alright, so I just imported all the textures, and as you can see, all the 3D models have nice textures. So now we can start creating our building. What we will do is just I start with the door. You can start with every other object, it doesn't matter. I just like to start with the doors because they build the basement and then everything else gets on top of it. So just select your door, go right here to the modifiers, add modifier, and add an array modifier. Here you can see you can just add the doors, more or less, and you can adjust the space between them to your liking. So this helps a lot because, as you can see right here, the texture will be copied the whole time, and it saves you a lot of time. Alright, so let's do that. I think I'm gonna go. This is just up to you how you want to place all this, how many doors you want in there, and stuff like this. I will speed this process up. Yes, so what I basically did here is just place every window there where it seemed right, and then tried some different windows, maybe some variation to it, so it doesn't not everything looks the same. And then I placed these small wall segments to fill the gaps between the windows, so there are no big empty spaces. Then I took these small windows up to the top, again with the array modifier, to just place them next to each other, again filled the gap, these wall segments. And yeah, this process I repeated with every single thing here, just always using the array modifier. Yeah, I also used these small wall segments to fill the gaps between the doors, and then added some balconies to the wall, because so there are some things that are sticking out, so the whole wall doesn't look that flat. To make the edges smooth, I placed these these concrete walls there, and just play with the 3D assets you have, and place them how it looks right to you. And as you can see, it's already a nice facade. With the roof, I basically did the same, just added the roof segments, added the array modifier, and placed these side segments in there too. This is now just a reference how you could do it. It's of course up to you how you want your house to look like. And now we're almost done. I just added a yellow plane behind the windows to get this nice look, and added a light in front of every door. Alright, and I think this is about it. Of course, if you like to duplicate it, or I don't know, place it on the different side of the road, you can go into this view and select everything, then go under add, create a collection instance, and then choose the building, because as you can see over here, everything is in the building, so the whole building is this one. So add collection instance building, and now we created another building which is identical to the other one, and we can also duplicate this building a bunch of times. Rotate it, whatever you want to do with it. So this is another very nice method to get a bunch of buildings and a row, so you can see like this. And for the completion, we can also add our street from the previous tutorial in here. So you add it by going to File, Append, and then open the place where you saved the project. And then you open this project, go to Object, and select, you can select everything, but I don't need the point light and the camera, I will just select the plane. And as you can see, we've got a pretty nice house row with a nice street in it. And yeah. And this is the final result for today. We already got the street and the building now. In the next tutorial, the last one, we will get into the sidewalk, add some street lights, some cars, and overall lighting to it. Yes, this is the final result for the building. I hope the tutorial was helpful, and please like and subscribe if this helped you to create a nice looking result. Also, if there are any questions to it, please leave a comment below. I will answer it, and thanks for watching.